In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a route in Google Maps. Stick around to the end. To do this, go to Google Maps, either in the app or the browser. Set the route you want. So let's set an example route. Go ahead, directions, and set this, for example, as starting route. That's basically it. Here, we're going to choose this, and you will be good to go. Make sure you have set whether you want to travel by foot, car, or public transit. On the top corner, you're going to find it right here. If there's more than one option, say like this. There's an option by car, legs, cycle. For example, let's choose our legs. And then make sure, as I said, that next you tap on the top 3-dot menu icon if you're on the phone. If you're not in the phone, click on send to device, send to your phone, and choose which phone you would like to send it to. You can even send it by email or texting. After that, on the top right corner, you will be able to see add route, and you'll be good to go. Now, an alternative well, we'll be able to share this link and to keep it saved in your computer or tablet, for example, if you don't have the app working for any reason. That's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.